Welcome back. Today we'll be dishing out our top 12 tips for writing a super scary horror novel that will make your readers shake in their boots. So let's get started. Tip 1. Set the scene. Establish a dark atmosphere right from the start through vivid descriptions of the setting. Describe the lighting, sounds, smells and appearance in a chilling way. By setting the scene with vivid and chilling descriptions, you create an environment that serves as a backdrop for your horror story. Take a look at this example. This example creates a chilling atmosphere by vividly describing a broken mansion, evoking a sense of anxiety and fear. Tip 2. Build tension. Gradually increase suspense throughout the story using foreshadowing and cliffhangers. Foreshadowing is a writing technique that suggests future events or developments in a story, creating a sense of anticipation and tension for the reader. A cliffhanger leaves a story or chapter at a critical or suspenseful moment, enticing the reader to continue in order to find out what happens next. Take a look at this example where the reader is left hanging on the edge of fear, eager to turn the page and discover what happens next. Tip 3. Create relatable characters. Focus on creating well-rounded and relatable characters to engage the reader emotionally. Give major characters complexity, depth and relatable personality traits, then put them in increasingly frightening situations. Take a look at this example paragraph. Here we introduce Jake, who has relatable personality traits like procrastination and watching too many movies, making him a sympathetic character to follow as the tension ramps up. Tip 4. Spring surprises. Catch the reader off guard by unexpectedly flipping the script, pulling the rug out from under them. The art of springing surprises lies in finding the right balance. While surprises can be highly effective, overusing them may lead to a feeling of gimmick or manipulation. The key is to ensure that the surprises are organic to the narrative, adding depth and intrigue to the story rather than being mere plot twists for the sake of shock value. Take a look at this example. This paragraph builds a sense of relief as Amelia appears to have found safety, only to pull the rug out from under the reader by revealing she has shockingly ended up back where she started, creating an unsettling surprise twist. Tip 5. Use creepy descriptions. Using scary language to describe disturbing images leaves vivid impressions in the reader's mind. This could be done through the use of clever metaphors and similes, sensory details, such as smell and taste and even the choice of words used. This example uses descriptions of foul air, disturbing sights, and eerie sounds aiming to create vivid creepiness for the reader. Tip 6. Include disturbing elements. Introduce truly terrifying supernatural or violent acts that will shock and unsettle the reader. Some of these elements may include curses, demonic entities, violence and gore, taboos, unthinkable acts, heinous crimes and exploring the dark corners of the human mind. This will create a sense of dread and unease for the reader. This example uses graphic descriptions of gore, unsettling rituals, and sinister sounds aiming to disturb the reader with truly horrifying elements. Tip 7. Build dread. Draw out moments leading up to major scary events using every detail to heighten the reader's apprehension. You could do this by describing the setting in great detail, exploring the main character's emotions in the moment, and even using the foreshadowing technique to drop subtle hints about something sinister that is about to happen. Sensory details, such as smell, taste, noise, feelings and sight can also help build dread. This example uses sensory details and emotions to build up tension and unease before an expected frightening event. Tip 8. Create a creepy atmosphere. This is about creating a dark, unsettling mood in scary or climatic scenes. This could be done by using sinister weather descriptions, mentioning unexplained noises, using dangerous landscapes, or even through the use of a creepy song or music playing in the background. Take a look at this example which uses a full moon, fog, gnarled trees, owl hoots, church bells, and other elements to create a deeply unsettling atmosphere. Tip 9. Explore fear of the unknown. Keep the nature of the horror unclear, allowing the reader's imagination to fill in the terrifying blanks. You could do this by just hinting at a possible danger, using inhuman noises or bizarre behavior to hint at the presence of the unknown horror, and also by gradually unveiling the real horror in the story. Take a look at this example. Keeping the source of the sounds unknown aims to let the reader's imagination invent their own terrifying culprit. Tip 10. Use unreliable narrators. Make readers question their perspective by presenting events through the lens of an unstable, deceptive or insane character. The use of unreliable narrators is a storytelling technique that can keep readers engaged and intrigued, as they grapple with the uncertainty of what is real and what is imagined. Take a look at this example. Presenting events from the perspective of an unstable narrator makes the reader question what is real versus imagination. Tip 11. Leave things unresolved. At the end, pose unanswered questions that leave readers unsettled and pondering the possibilities. This technique can be especially effective in horror stories, as it leaves a lasting impression and allows the fear to linger in the reader's mind. It's a way of ensuring that the horror transcends the confines of the story itself, continuing to disturb and unsettle the reader long after they've finished reading. Take a look at this example. In this example, we have left the creature's origins and motives unknown, aiming to create an unsettling ending that lingers in the reader's mind. Tip 12. Scare yourself first. While writing, visualize each terrifying detail vividly until you experience genuine fear. There are a number of ways this can be achieved, such as through creating relatable characters, using extreme details at the right moment, tapping into your own fears as an author, and tapping into negative emotions, such as fear, disgust and shock. If you scare yourself, your writing will scare the reader. Take a look at this example. Here we have vividly visualized each gruesome detail, aiming to genuinely scare ourselves first. So there you have it, our top 12 tips for crafting a blood-curdling horror novel that will haunt your readers. Use spine-tingling settings, bone-chilling tension and disturbing plot twists to pen the scariest story imaginable. Just remember to scare yourself silly too. Let us know in the comments if you found these horror writing tips useful. And don't forget to like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more writing tips. See you next time.